Namaste, all of my dear students. You are welcome to the next video of Social Studies. Today I came here to teach you Social Studies Class 10 Lesson 9. Our topic Human Rights and National and International Agency. For the protection and promotion of human rights, what are the different national and international agencies working? That is our today's topic, my dear students. Human rights and national and international agency. Okay, in our previous class we discussed about the introduction of human rights, fundamental rights. Similarly, also we discussed the difference between human rights and fundamental rights. That also we discussed in our previous class. Today I came here to teach you what are the different articles which are mentioned in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. There are 30 articles included in the International Declaration of Human Rights. Okay, my dear students, this is our today's topic. There are 30 articles included in the International Declaration of Human Rights. मानवाधिकारको विश्वव्यापी घोषणा पत्रमा जम्मा 30 वटा आर्टिकल्सहरु समावेश गरिएको छ. About that article today I came here, I present here, my dear student, to teach you. Okay, let's talk about the at first article number first. Article number first. Article number first. Article number first, that is right to equality. Second number article, that is freedom from discrimination. Freedom from the discrimination. Our third one, that right to life, liberty and right to life, liberty and personal security. Similarly, freedom from the slavery, Our article number 5th, that is article number 5th, freedom from torture, similarly, 6 number, that right to recognition as a personal right to recognition, right to recognition as a person before law. Article number 7 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, that is a right to equality before law. Similarly, Article number 8, right to remedy by the competent. Article number 9. Our article number 9, that is freedom from arrest and exile. Article number 10 of the International Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Right to fair, right to fair public hearing, okay. Article number 11, that is right to remain, right to be considered innocent, yeah, right to considered innocent until proven guilty by court. Okay, these are about the 1 to 11. Similarly, let's talk about the article number 12, my dear students. In our article number up to 11, these are. Okay, I want to say something about these 11 first, and after that, rest one that I will say. First one, that article number 1. There are 30 articles included in the International Declaration of Human Rights. विश्वव्यापी मानवाधिकार घोषणा पत्रमा total 30 articles are there. 30 वटा आर्टिकल्स रहेको छ जम्मा. These 30 articles, it can be similar to the each and every country of the world. It can be different country to country, because I have earlier said you human rights similar to the each and every country, not different. But fundamental right can be differ country to country. But we are talking about the human rights. So there are 30 articles are included in the International Declaration of Human Rights. These all articles are similar to each and every country of the world, but it can translated into various languages. But parts article, these all articles are similar. Suppose in Nepal, Nepali language; in Bhutan, Bhutanese language; in China, Chinese language. It can be translated. But what are the articles? Are these all articles can be similar, no difference, my dear students. So in short, I want to say about these all. Article number 1, Universal Declaration of Human Rights को article number 1 में के छ भने right to equality. Right to equality means, you know about that, each and every people, all the citizens are equal. All the citizens should treat, yes, equally. No one have right to discriminate anyone on the basis of religion, on the basis of caste, on the basis of groups, on the basis of any origin. Each and every citizens are similar. This is our first one, right to equality. Next one, that freedom from the discrimination. No one have right to discriminate anyone on the basis of their language, sex, origin, religion, backwardness, poor, like that. No one have on the basis of caste, upper caste and lower caste. No one have right to discriminate anyone's. That is also mentioned in our present constitution of in our Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which are declared by the General Assembly of UNO and similar to each and every country of the world. Similarly, right to life, liberty and personal security. Each and every people have life, right to spend their life happily, right to choose any kinds of occupation happily. Yes, right to survive the life. Yes, liberty also. Liberty means, yes, freedom. Right to freedom. Each and every people have also right to freedom. Yes, freedom for the expression, freedom to earn the property, freedom to move inside their nation, each and every parts and corner. Yes, freedom to upon the political party. These are the freedoms. Each and every people have also freedom. Each and every people have life also. They have right to spend the life, survive the life. They have also liberty, means freedom. Also they have right to the personal security. Personal security means security for their life by the governments. So that types of security also mentioned in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, my dear students. Our fourth one, that freedom from the slavery. Slavery, freedom from the slavery. Slavery means, you know about that. In the previous and ancient period of time, some country have a practice of slave. Slave means das, dasatto. Yes, people are behaving as animals. People buying and selling in the market. No any kinds of rights given to them. Buying and selling by the owners. Owner sell in the market and another owner buy from the market. And such slaves, what are the different instructions given by their owner? They have to fulfill that types of, yes, duty. Their neck tied with a, rope, chain, like that, means that types of condition were. But our Universal Declaration of Human Rights said that freedom from the slavery. No one have right to keep the slaves. Das, nokar. No one have right to keep. So each and every people are free from the slavery that is mentioned. Next one, right from the freedom from the torture. Freedom from the torture means no one have right to give the torture. After any kinds of, just arrest people, such people who are arrested by the policeman, they have also no right to give the torture to them, because they have also right to take the legal help from the court, from the advocate. So no any people have also right that. So freedom from the torture, that is also one of the human rights which are declared, which are mentioned in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Okay, similarly, my dear students, right to recognition as a person before the law. Right to recognition, person before the law. Each and every person have equal rights. No one can be given the more value. No one have the less value, each and every people have similar value, so all are recognized yes as a person before the law. So law formulated for the treatment of the equal treatment to the each and every people. So next one, that right to equality before the law. Before the law also people have right to equality, and law made for the all people equally. No one have more value, someone have more value, someone have less value, means no, each and every people have similar value, like that. Okay, so that is about the equality before the law. Similarly, my dear students, next one, that right to remedy by the competent. Right to remedy by the competent, 8th number. What is that? Everyone has the right to ask the legal help when their rights are not respected, when their rights are not given. Then each and every people have right to get the right to ask legal help. They have right to ask the legal help. They can ask the legal help from court. Then court can protect them. Court can give the right to them. So my dear student, these are about the right to right by the competent, means right to remedy by the competent. These are okay, my dear student. These are keep in your mind. So now I want to stop my class here. Hasta, namaste. See you again. Thank you.